you're entering crypto, a lot of times when you jump right in, you don't really understand what these assets are. You buy Bitcoin, you buy these other assets, you start watching crypto YouTube videos or whatever it may be, and they kind of promise these ideas of like a 10x, 100x, whatever it is. Most people don't recognize that those tokens it's really like liquid venture more than anything else. And typically venture bets, majority of them will go to zero. And so if you want to be active in crypto markets, hodling doesn't make sense unless you just own like large cap, like you only own like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. That's kind of it in terms of like long-term hold. You're not buying S&P 500 index. And for some reason, you've decided that there's these 3 venture bets that you're going to hold on to forever. But most likely those venture bets are not going to work out.
Right. Like the outcomes are so binary for like non-mega caps that once you lose conviction or once, you see something that you don't like.
Listen, guys.
The name's Kojo, Paul Kojo.
Hey, I'm David.
And this is not,
well, what is it again?
financial advice.
And this is not financial advice.